box. BoxyCharm, thank y'all for sending it to me early. Keep sending them. Your girl, she need to post these videos. You know she trying to get to that 100K. Okay, we claiming it. Yeah.
Some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite.
Hey y'all, it's me, Brittany, back with another BoxyCharm unboxing. Y'all, it is October 7th. I don't even know which box this is because my boxes in my BoxyCharm account says neither of them are shit. But y'all, I came home today from the store. I saw this. I was like, what? Ooh, Boxy kind of liked me a little bit because they sent me my package. Okay. So yes, let's take some pictures for the thumbnail. Or maybe I should wait till I open the box. See, I like to see the thumbnail with the inside of the box. Doesn't matter. Let's do something like this. Okay, she's cute. Okay. And yeah, let's get into it. I just can't believe I got it already. I'm really excited about it. Like I said, it's just a 6. Y'all know I never have scissors. So I'm just pulling that thing off like this. Let's see which one we have. Let's open it together, y'all. Oh my God. So, is this the premium? Because I am subscribed to the premium for $35 a month as well as the base for the $25 per month. But again, neither of mine say shipped online, so I have no idea which one this is. Let's see. Let's see together. 1, 2. Oh, if I can get it open. 1, 2, 3. It's the premium! Okay. Okay, now let's take some pictures like this. Okay. So, yes, I got my BoxyCharm Premium, October 7th. It's lit. Did y'all see my whoa? Anyway, this month's theme is BoxyCharm Candy Shop. And it also says, save the date. Enjoy exclusive members-only discounts in our online pop-up. The online pop-up starts on November 10th. Here is the card, and the theme for this month is Candy Shop. And I have variation number 17. If you want to know how much this box weighs, leave a comment down below, and I'll be sure to go ahead, once they send me the shipping information, to figure out how much it weighs so I can let you guys know. Oh my God. I can't believe I got it on October 7th, y'all. I'm super stoked. Super duper duper stoked. Let's see what we have. So first, out of the box, we have... Yeah, I've been seeing this in Sephora, not in Sephora, but on their website. Like, a lot of their stuff is on sale. I've actually never heard of this brand. It's called Kosas. 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 And it says color and light cream. Cream blush highlighter. I'm pretty sure this is what I chose. Because I was thinking I want to try cream brush. So, blush, not brush. Okay, I can't get it out the box. Oh, there we go. Y'all pray for me. Hopefully I didn't crack it just then. Oh yeah, this is what I chose. It's a cream brush. Yeah, she's cute. I like it. It has a nice little mirror. Oh, she's fine today. Did y'all see this? Okay. I use a small black-owned beauty brand called Janaea Simone Cosmetics for my eyes. I love it. Look, it turned out flawless. Okay. You wake up, flawless. Post up, flawless. Okay. Now, back to this BoxyCharm. Yes, I got the Kosas. Somebody give me, a little info how to spell that down below. And this retails for $34. It says Kosas Color and Light Palette, an ultra blendable powder blush and highlighter palette, and versatile duos of balancing, brightening, foolproof, clean and skin, cushioning formulas. Each duo is available in 2 levels of intensity for color that complements every mood and every skin tone. Again, that retails for $34. Y'all, I don't like for them to send me lip liners, eyeliner, pencil thingamajiggas, nothing like, no type of liner type of situations. Like, I feel like that's like a low ticket item that I can buy. But let's see, we have here Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Brow MVP. Now, I can go for a brow pencil now. Okay, Boxy, I can go for a brow pencil now. Y'all know the Fenty packaging or whatever. It's like this. And let's see. Okay, let's see how much product we have in there. Oh, it just broke, y'all. I am the ghetto, okay? I'm from the hood, though. So I'm about to put mine back in there. I ain't gonna be able to show y'all how much it got because I have to put that piece back in there. But yeah, I'm gonna try this out. It is like a, what color is this? It's a bit light. It doesn't really say what color. Let's see. Brow MVP Ultra Fine Brow Pencil and Styler. An ultra fine retractable brow pencil made for hair-like precision, born in a groundbreaking range of 14 long, rare, waterproof, smudge-resistant shades, plus a built-in paddle brush for effortless blending and styling. Oh, the brush is on this side. Oh, and this is different. Do y'all see how that brush is? Now, that is pretty cool. It's brow size. That is pretty cool. I wish I could figure out what color this is, though. Whatever color it is, I know it's not my color because it's dark brown. So I would need black. Not the blackest black, but black. And this retails for $20. Next up, we have some Laura Geller lip gloss. She's not excited about it, but let's see what it says. 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color. No more air kisses. Our pure pigment formula stays true with a soft, satiny color that stays put from the morning peak to midnight smooch. Okay, I'm here for a midnight smooch, but yeah. This retails for $21. The color is nice. It's all right for what it is. Okay. Next, we have the Murad. Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce nothing. Okay, I need to go back to English 101. The Murad Hydrating Toner, which looks like this. Okay. And this retails for $35. It's an ultra hydrating alcohol-free toner, instantly balances skin's natural pH while lifting impurities to enhance the benefits of treatments that follow. Oh, okay, Murad. Okay, I think that's how you pronounce it. I think it's pronounced Murad. Again, this retails for $35. Where is the good stuff? Yo, this is, I'm not excited about this palette per se. I have no idea what this is. But this is like the third or fourth box in a row where I've gotten an eyeshadow palette. It says Illuminati times ISA. Okay. It says Glam Palette designed by Isabel Bedoya. Okay, let's open her up. Ooh, woo child. You shouldn't buy things with your teeth like that, y'all. I'm such a bad example. Do not do what I do, okay? But I can't even get it open. I'm still using the back of a makeup brush to get stuff open, you know. When things are inaccessible, you have to use what you have. You feel me? Okay. I still have a bit in my mouth, y'all. Judge not, so you won't be judged, okay? Says the Lord. So this Illuminati Cosmetics has collaborated with Isabella Bedoya for an ultra versatile palette. Create an even glam look or a perfect daytime look. The shades range from pastels to bright colors and neutrals. There's a look for every person. Okay, retailer for $48, a brand that I never heard about. Let's see. I'm here for this purple dream in the corner over here. Let me tell you, I'm here for her. I live for a good purple. And yeah, that's it. We'll see how that white and black work because you know it's hard to find a good white and a good black. So we'll see if they're up to par. 1996 Sour Rye Purple Haze June 1st. I like the names. I'm going to have to look into why she named them, whatever she named them, whoever this Isabel chick is. But yeah, so $48. And the last thing I have, oh gosh, is the go-to skincare exfoliating swipies. Swiper, no swiping. Swiper, no swiping. Y'all know y'all watch Dora the Explorer, okay? Y'all know, you know. Don't play. So this is the single-use exfoliating pad soaked in an all-natural solution. Get rid of dead skin cells, and hydrate the skin. The well-documented effectiveness of lactic acid, the most gentle of all AHAs, is combined with ultra-hydrating essential oils to create a face exfoliator that thoroughly removes dead skin, refines skin texture, minimizes the appearance of fine lines, and deeply moisturizes. Okay? I don't know what none of that meant, but it sounds like it's going to make me beautiful. Okay? And that's all we care about over here. And don't hurt the little animals. That's it. Make me beautiful and don't hurt the animals. Let's see. I don't want Peter to come for me. No, but really, I believe that. Friends. Let's see what it looks like. So it's in some type of solution. Oh, and they're just like little, I don't want to spill the stuff, but they're like, you know, little, you know how you get those little cotton rounds? They're like that, but like really moist. And this is what it looks like. Can y'all see? This autofocus, okay? It says, we all need some magic swipey pad thingies. Yes, that's exactly how I felt. It says that right here on the end of inside of the box. And that's legit how I felt, because these little thingies, I didn't really know what they were. But it says we all need some magic swipey pad thingies. So, yeah. So, all in all, out of this box, the only thing I'm excited about is absolutely nothing. I'm excited about absolutely nothing. Actually, I'm going to put everything to the side besides these swipey thingies for a giveaway for when we reach 100K. Not 100K. Whew, I wish 1,000K, which we're almost there. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share. Because I have literally like $600 worth of things to give away as soon as we get there, and we're almost there. We only need a few more people to go ahead, subscribe. You know you like britneyschanel. You come here to see me, to chit chat with me, to leave me comments. That's what we're here for. Anyway, side note, I got off track because we're almost at 100K. 100K, you know, I'm speaking it. Yes, manifest. Yes, okay. But no, really, we're almost to 1K. But let's go ahead and estimate, calculate. Lord, I cannot talk on today. Let's calculate the total value of this box. Okay, so we have that Illuminati palette for $48. The Murad toner for $35. The Kosas cream powder thingy for $34. The Fenty Beauty eyebrow pencil for $20. And the Laura Geller lip gloss for $21. So this box has the estimated value of $158, which I feel like is pretty good. I paid $35 plus tax, which I think it's like $37.11, exactly the amount that comes out of my account every month for this box. The one thing I'm going to use out of it, these little things cost, if I can find it, Lord, Brittany, $35. So that's exactly how much I paid. So that makes this month's box worth it. Again, this is the premium box, BoxyCharm. Thank y'all for sending it to me early. Keep sending them. Your girl, she need to post these videos. You know, she's trying to get to that 100K. Okay, we claiming it. Yes. Yes, but that's going to conclude this BoxyCharm video. I'm not that excited about anything, but I'm not mad at it either. Like, it's alright for what it is, but it ain't all that. But I'm not mad at it. For $35, it's cool. Yeah. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Which variation did you get? Did I miss out on some really great items this month? I didn't really have an opportunity to follow the spoilers. So y'all let me know. Alright? Peace, love, and hair grease. Bye-bye. Ciao, ciao. Boom. No, really, I'm going to stop it right now.